Hello friends, welcome to InGravita, and today we are going to talk about microorganisms, and this for class 8, and this the part 2 video. In this part 2 video, we are going to talk about the uses of microorganisms, how these microorganisms are useful to us, what are their usefulness. So, in the world, there are not only disease-causing microorganisms, but there are also many other microorganisms which are actually helpful to us, which are actually in the friends list for humans. So let's start learning about them. So the first point here is that microorganisms are being used in agriculture for fixing nitrogen, which actually increases the soil fertility. So what is fixing nitrogen? What is fixing nitrogen? So fixing nitrogen means it is the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to nitrogenic compounds such as ammonia for example. So what is fixing nitrogen? Fixing nitrogen means it is a conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenic compounds such as ammonia. So these microorganisms convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenic compounds such as ammonia, which is called fixing nitrogen, which increases the soil fertility. So that is why microorganisms are used in agriculture for fixing nitrogen. Okay. So let's look at the second point. Microorganisms are involved in the making of curd and other milk products such as cheese. So the best example for this is lactobacillus, which is a bacteria. And this lactobacillus, which is a bacteria, is actually involved in the making of curd. So this lactobacillus multiplies in milk. It multiplies in milk and converts it into curd. It converts that milk into curd. So just like this example, other milk products such as cheese, also involve microorganisms for the production of them. Okay. So now let's jump to the next point. And that is microorganisms are used to decompose organic wastes. They are used to decompose organic waste. So what is organic wastes? Organic wastes means, they include vegetable peels, and then, dead plants and animals, all those broken eggshells, all these things, organic waste means, just like this. So all these organic wastes are being decomposed by these microorganisms. They are broken down or decomposed by these microorganisms into simpler substances. And this decomposed matter can be also used as manure for plants. So when we add the decomposed matter to the soil, it actually increases the soil fertility, and it can be also used by the plants, and that can increase the soil fertility. So this can help for the cleaning of the environment, and at the same time the decomposed matter can be also used as a manure. So let's look at the next point. So microorganisms are also used to make idlis and dosa batter. So we eat these idlis and dosas, and these idlis and dosas are made using idli and dosa batter. And these idli and dosa batter are actually made with the help of microorganisms. Okay, so they are made with the help of some microorganisms. So now let's jump into the next point, and that next point is actually a example of microorganisms being used in the baking industry. So, and that is yeast. A microorganism is used to make breads, cakes and pastries. So this is a example of microorganisms being used in the baking industry. So this yeast is not only used to make breads, cakes and pastries. They are also used for the commercial production of wine and alcohol. Okay, this is an example of the commercial use of microorganisms. So now let's talk about how these, wine and alcohol are produced with the help of yeast. Now let's talk about that. So for this purpose, for the production of wine and alcohol, this yeast is being grown in the grains of barley, wheat, rice, and also on crushed fruit juices. And all of these in common contain what we call natural sugars. It contains natural sugars. So, this yeast is being grown on these things which actually contain these natural sugars. And this yeast converts these natural sugars present in these things to alcohol. And this is how, wine and alcohol is being produced. So this yeast is being grown in all of these things which contains natural sugar, and this yeast converts this natural sugar into alcohol, and this process is what we call fermentation. Okay, so this process is what we call fermentation. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel Win Gravita and stay tuned for more videos.